All right, guys, we are here with my buddy Peyton, and this is the Homeika at-home dog grooming vacuum. This thing is very versatile. It's got a cool look to it, too. But basically, it's got a nice long hose. You have 3 different settings. So you've got low mode, medium mode, and high mode, depending on what you're dealing with there. So that's very cool. We have a ton of different attachments. We have clipper guides. You've got a quarter inch, 24 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. We also have this is actually going to be a vacuum, and you also have a brush on the end. We've got the clippers, which we would attach these different attachments to, depending on how long you want their hair. You have a massaging brush attachment. You also have the pet hair roller brush, and you also have the deshedding tool. Now, what we're going to test on him, and we want to keep him happy, so we're going to we're going to keep him happy. Here we go. All right. So, this is basically a grooming brush. What I like about this is if your dog sheds at all, you can use this to brush him, and it'll actually suck up any of the hair that good boy that he's got loose on him. And so we just like to keep him happy. Here. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Let's run it a little higher. And so you just get him comfortable with it. It's not a big deal. And we're just going to keep him happy right here. And you can see he doesn't shed a ton, but you can see there's hair in there. So as you can see, this thing works very easily. I think this is probably the coolest part about it. But the fact that you could also groom your dog is nice as well. Straight up. It's got a bag to even store it in. And you can see, if you use positive reinforcement in the beginning, he actually likes it.